Hello everyone, we are HoneyGuard. Today, I'd like to recommend a video doorbell to you. This doorbell can be powered by a wide power supply or directly by the built-in battery. It can be pasted on the door to act as a wireless people. Let's take a look at the detailed appearance parameters of this video doorbell. The doorbell consists of two parts. One is the camera part. The other is the speaker part. For the camera part, you can see its lens and the PIR infrared sensor, which is used to detect movement. Below is a ring that is doorbell button with a circle of colorful LED indicator lights. Blue represents that the doorbell is successfully connected. Under the body is a speaker used for two-way intercom. Meanwhile, there is an anti-theft screw at the bottom. For the installation backplate, we can see 3M adhesive and screw installation holes. You can choose the installation method that suits you. Open the back cover, and we can see a reset button. Press and hold it for 5 seconds to reset the doorbell. Below the doorbell switch are the two power supply methods for the camera. The body supports DC direct current power supply or built-in battery power supply. The battery life is about 4 months. The important circuit boards of the body are coated with waterproof glue for protection, so there will be no problem if they are used outdoors in the rain. There is a very loud speaker under the doorbell, and the sound is loud enough. It's almost sufficient for a room below 200 square meters. Meanwhile, a ding-dong device is also included as a bonus. It can be placed anywhere indoors to enhance the sound of the doorbell. There's also an additional TF card slot here for local video recording. Having talked about the hardware, let's take a look at the software functions. It has a 155 ultra-wide angle lens combined with a 69 screen, provides a clear view of the situation at the door. Next, let's test its functions. This is the doorbell response test. This is the nighttime pictures and the intercom effect. Hello, hi. This is the daytime pictures and the intercom effect.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
There is also a voice changing function. Hello, who are you? There is also a motion tracking function. When strangers stay at the door, you will receive an immediate alarm. You can also check the doorbell alarm notifications and the doorbell call records in the mobile app. Get in touch with us. We can provide you with an overall smart home solution. Thank you for watching.